I have a 2009, just got from a buddy. Zx14, has 6,500 miles on it. Custom rims. Has this shiesty flat black paint job on it that needs to be redone, or all new fairings. Has some Monster Energy. Kyle edition over here. Monster Energy. Has some awesome, I guess, Monster Energy green here. Has some really nice parts on it though. Pretty much new tire. I just had my way with it a little while ago. Muzzy exhaust. I just got it a couple hours ago. He gave me a brand new battery, which was nice of him, but he didn't bolt it in, so the battery cover and the side cowl no longer exist or in my possession, or his. He said he'd give me a new one, but I went ahead and bought another one, and apparently in his garage it fell over a little, so it scratched it. But new front tire, new brakes, aftermarket rim on the front as well. Has a great little feature over here. Here, let's hit this bad boy. But it's new to me. Needs some love, but it's mechanically sound.